Welcome! Today, we're going to learn how incredibly easy it is to grow your own fresh alfalfa sprouts right in your kitchen. These tiny greens are packed with nutrients and add a delicious crunch to so many dishes. Growing them yourself is simple, rewarding, and much more affordable than buying them at the store. Let's get started. First, let's gather everything you'll need. You'll want a clean mason jar, preferably a wide-mouth one. You'll also need a special sprouting lid or a piece of fine mesh secured with a rubber band. Of course, you'll need alfalfa sprouting seeds. Make sure they are specifically for sprouting, not planting, as they are tested for pathogens. You can find sprouting seeds at health food stores, online retailers, or sometimes even garden centers. Finally, you'll need clean, cool water. Now, let's prepare the seeds for sprouting. Take your clean mason jar and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of alfalfa seeds. Don't add too many, as they expand significantly as they grow. Rinse the seeds with cool water. Next, fill the jar with cool, clean water, leaving a little space at the top. Secure your mesh or sprouting lid onto the jar. Let the seeds soak overnight, or for about 8 hours. Soaking wakes the seeds up and signals them that it's time to start growing. After the initial soak, it's time to begin the daily rinse and drain cycle. This is the most crucial step for successful sprouting. First, drain all the soaking water out through the mesh lid. Then, fill the jar with fresh, cool water, swirl it around to rinse the seeds thoroughly, and drain the water out again. Repeat this rinse and drain process twice a day, usually once in the morning and once in the evening. After draining the water, it's important to ensure good airflow. Tip the jar upside down at an angle in a bowl or drying rack so any remaining water can drain completely and air can circulate. This prevents the seeds from sitting in stagnant water, which can lead to mold. Continue this rinse and drain cycle twice daily for the next 4 to 5 days. Over the next few days, you'll start to see amazing progress. The tiny seeds will begin to sprout, first showing small tails, and then developing into longer shoots. The jar will gradually fill up with green growth. It's fascinating to watch them transform from hard seeds into vibrant sprouts. During this growth phase, maintaining good airflow and proper drainage is key to preventing mold or rot. Always ensure the jar is well drained after rinsing and kept in a place with decent air circulation, away from direct sunlight. If you notice any off smells or slimy seeds, it's best to discard the batch and start over, ensuring you're rinsing and draining thoroughly. Your alfalfa sprouts should be ready to harvest in about 4 to 5 days. They will have developed small green leaves and filled most of the jar. Before storing, give them one final thorough rinse. You can even fill the jar with water and gently swish them around to help remove any remaining seed holes. Drain them exceptionally well after this final rinse. You want them to be as dry as possible before storing to prevent spoilage. Once drained, transfer the sprouts to a clean container lined with a paper towel. Store them in the refrigerator. Properly stored, your fresh alfalfa sprouts should last for up to a week. And there you have it, fresh, homegrown alfalfa sprouts ready to enjoy. They are incredibly versatile. Add them to sandwiches, wraps, salads, or even blend them into smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. Growing your own sprouts is a simple, rewarding way to add fresh, healthy greens to your diet year-round. It's a fun project that requires minimal space and effort. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like. Let me know in the comments what you like to put sprouts on. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy homegrowing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.